I think we're going to current ramp these coils. We'll check that out, and then I think we'll just go after spark plugs. Because I don't want to get this too hot. I don't know how hard it's going to be to pull these out. Guys, on this car, I found this this plug in cylinder 1 over here, and it wasn't even tight. You can see like all the black around the top here. This plug wasn't even tight when it was on there. I don't know why this ain't tight, but IKH. So there's 2 different spark plugs. So I'm going to put this one in over here